How to produce low-alcohol beer with beer brewing equipment. Beer making process needs to go through strict procedures. Low-concentration alcohol slowly enters the public eye and becomes the first choice. TIANTAI manufacturers will comprehensively introduce how to use brewing equipment to produce low-alcohol beer. Mix light malt powder and water at level 45 for 30 minutes. Obtain an appropriate amount of dextrinase solution and clarify for 30 minutes. Add water to the malt powder, 62 to 65 grade saccharification for a certain period of time before filtering. 50% whole hops are added to the wort obtained and boiled for 45 minutes. The wort with a concentration of 11.5 bx is divided into hops and cooled to approximately 5 grades. In order to improve the quality of beer, the supporting products are actually used effectively. Brewery equipment improves mashing eluent return and saves energy. Enhanced from the original 2 mashing techniques to a double cook mashing method. Add 0.5% yeast mud to the fermentation vessel, ferment for 3 to 4 days, and the alcohol content can reach 2.5%. Add water to the evaporated fluid and cool it to ensure fermentation stability. Draft beer should be cooled throughout the entire process of beer making equipment and separated by yeast separator. Compounds that cause cloudiness after more than 12 days of storage. Items with reduced alcohol substances, better compartmentalized and eliminated. This refined wine is more suitable for drinking. Low-alcohol beer is far less harmful to the body and is also easily favored by the public.